Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Coronavirus or severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2, SARS-CoV-2 is a virus that attacks the respiratory system. This disease caused by a viral infection is called COVID-19. Coronavirus can cause mild disruptions to the respiratory system, severe lung infection to death, and severe acute respiratory syndrome. Coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2, better known as the coronavirus, is a new type of coronavirus that is transmitted to humans. Although more often attack the elderly, this virus can actually affect anyone, ranging from infants, children to adults, including pregnant women, and then coronavirus infection is called COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 2019 and was first discovered in the city of Wuhan, China at the end of December 2019. The virus is transmitted very quickly and has spread to almost all countries, including Indonesia, in just a few months. This makes some countries implement policies to impose lockdowns in order to prevent the spread of coronavirus. In Indonesia itself, a large-scale social restriction policy was put in place to suppress the spread of. And then coronavirus is a collection of viruses that can infect the respiratory system. In many cases, this virus only causes mild respiratory infection such as flu. However, this virus can also cause severe respiratory infections such as a lung infection or pneumonia. In addition, the SARS-CoV-2 virus or coronavirus virus that are also included in this group are the virus that cause severe acute respiratory syndrome or SARS, and the virus that cause middle-age respiratory syndrome or MERS, although caused by virus from the same group, namely coronavirus COVID-19 has some difference with SARS and MERS, among others in terms of the speed of spread and severity of symptoms.